Good afternoon, guys. It's February 11th, 2019, and we have the Nutri-Tea bucket inside, and I'm going to give you guys a quick rundown on how to get this going. This time we're just going to use the Liquid Love, so it's going to be a totally vegan tea. So we ran this outside all season and we cleaned it up, brought it inside, and we're going to add a new pouch of this Liquid Love. This is all plant-based. It's plant proteins, sugars, and some plant minerals. It's all natural. So we'll add that. And we have some scraps, some vegetable scraps left over from last night's dinner. We chopped them up. You could put that in a blender and really get it, pretty much emulsified so it was just about broken down. If you did that, you could use this stuff like tomorrow. You could use the tea the next day if you put that in a blender and really got that stuff just about liquefied. Now we're going to add about 5 gallons of water. And this water, I use raw water, but if you have city water with chlorine, you want to let that water sit for 24 hours before you add it in. Make sure that chlorine dissipates. So, that's 5 gallons of some real good water. We're going to give that a mix, just with a bamboo steak or whatever. And you could use this stuff tomorrow. You could draw off this, and it would give the plants some beneficial nutrients. Of course, letting it sit for the week, you'll start breaking down some of that plant matter that you've added. So the finer you chop up your scraps, the quicker the stuff's going to break down. So we'll get that all stirred up. And I'm starting this now. For one, I want some nutrient inside, and 2, it really works good for cuttings and seedlings at half strength. And I'm going to add a little, you could get fancy, drill a 1/4-inch hole and put the tube through, but we're going to aerate this a bit. And just take your air stone, throw it in there. You can put the lid on like that, kind of holds everything in there. And we're going to fire that up. And that's going to aerate, and of course that's really good for the plants. Some added oxygen to that tea. And that's going to be an all vegan tea. And we use organic vegetables, so you eat clean, you're going to feed your plants clean, basically. So, that's the mix. You guys can see that. And so that'll start to break down. let me put the air stone on. And that's starting to percolate a bit. That stone's kind of old. I have to get myself a new one there. Anyway, that's the setup for the Nutri-Tea bucket indoors. You can find that on the website zacksccl.com, and we ran it outside all season, and all the vegetables worked great, and the cannabis loved it as well. So hope you guys are having a good day. Shout out there from southern Vermont. Happy growing.